This week on the Attraction Show, we check out Disneyland's new daytime parade, Magic Happens.
And I'm here at Disney's Hollywood Studios for the opening of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Plus the latest theme park news and more, starting now. The Attraction Show is brought to you by Mouse Fan Travel, our recommended travel agent, Undercover Tourist, our recommended ticket supplier, and Give Kids the World Village, our favorite charity. Let them know you saw them on Attractions Magazine. Hello everyone and welcome to this week's episode of the show. I'm Banks.
Oh, you're not Jesse?
No, I am actually not Jesse.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm Quinn. Jesse's actually sick, which is to be expected because she's pregnant.
Yes,
so
we hope she gets to feeling better very, very soon and can get out to go ride a certain attraction that opened this week. If you couldn't tell by our shirts, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway has officially opened.
So cute, so cute.
It is adorable. We both got to ride it this week. I just love the re-rideability of it. There's so many things you can miss.
I only got to ride it one time, and I feel like I saw like POV, and like there's stuff I didn't see. Like I know there's a whole plot where Pluto is like taking the I don't know.
Their picnic basket.
Around each of the scenes. I didn't see him at all until the very end. And I was like, well, I need to go back and like pay attention to Pluto. And then I saw like Huey, Dewey, and Louie are in there somewhere. I didn't see them. Like there's just a ton of stuff like to find.
And we did Early Night Live this week from there, so you can check out the replay for a live stream of the ride. I hear the third car is probably the best car you want to get into if you want to see a lot of the details in each scene.
I rode from the second car, and we kept like zooming out of the room immediately, and I was like, wait, no, go back.
Exactly. So your ride could depend on where you sit, so ride all four. It's re-rideability. I love it. Now, speaking of new Disney attractions, Disneyland has debuted a new daytime parade called Magic Happens, which celebrates the magical moments found at the heart of Disney stories. Take a look.
Magic Happens is an all-new parade, and in this parade we celebrate moments of magic that happen in our Disney and Pixar characters' lives. I'm very excited about the music that we've produced for this new parade. We wanted to bring on a really contemporary, fresh voice. We're so excited to work with Todrick Hall, partnering on all of the music for the parade. He's written 2 original pieces that are a part of the parade, and then has also worked with us on the style and arrangements of all the other music in the parade. I think people are going to be so excited about the way we bring together new music and classic Disney tunes.
So we had the opportunity with Magic Happens to explore brand new ways of storytelling, and that comes in multiple facets. So that's through brand new music, energetic, surprising, familiar at the same time, brand new floats, beautiful pieces of art that are being created just for our guests, as well as amazing choreography, stunning costumes, and wonderful beloved characters that you will be seeing for the first time ever here at Disneyland.
This is the moment that it was made for. You feel the magic happening right now. Come with me, all your dreams are out there.
One of the Jungle Cruise boats at Magic Kingdom took on water last week while guests were still on board. Reedy Creek Fire Department was immediately called to respond to the incident, and all guests on the boat were able to get off safely. The ride returned to normal operation shortly after the incident, and I've seen a million memes and jokes online about this.
The memes are crazy for this, because luckily, no one was hurt. So thank goodness for that, which means the jokes can go flying. I mean, they always say that, they'll be your swimming instructor, and they put that to good use.
They definitely were. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. I doubt it will, since it's basically never happened ever in the past.
Almost 50 years of the ride being open,
Plus, it opened immediately after, too.
Yeah, got the boat off, kept going, so we're all good. Hope everyone that was on board, has a memorable memory now from this.
I mean, honestly, what I wouldn't have given to be on that boat.
Kind of, right? Now, more international parks have closed due to the coronavirus. Tokyo Disneyland, Tokyo Disney Sea, and Universal Studios Japan are all temporarily closed until March 15th. Shanghai Disney Resort and Hong Kong Disneyland remain closed.
I wonder what makes March 15th like the cutoff here.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm sure that's a way for them. They can extend it if they need to. They want to try to have it open by then, because it's it's a lot of money that they're going to be losing.
Yeah, just make sure you're keeping clean, because it has been reported in Florida and other states in America. So
yeah, wash your hands thoroughly. Cough.
Yeah, into your
arm, and just be safe out there, especially if you're visiting the theme parks.
Guests looking to grab some breakfast during the morning hours at Disney's Hollywood Studios are in luck. These new options can be found from 8 to 10 a.m. at the milk stand in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and include the Saka Farm Egg Bite, Green Milk Bread Pudding, and the Wamba Yogurt Cup. The ABC commissary also has a new breakfast menu. I was out there the first day they offered these to try all three, and I gotta say, my favorite of them all, hands down, is the Green Milk Bread Pudding. So savory. There's crunchy bits on top that really go well with the softness of the bread pudding and the green milk taste. If you like green milk, I love green milk.
It's not as strong as a pure green milk drink. Okay. I will say the yogurt, the Wamba yogurt, is green, and it's basically a yogurt version of the green milk.
Okay.
It tastes more like green milk.
I need to get out there and try all of them. So far, my go-to breakfast has been the breakfast Toronto wrap, so I'll switch over.
Yeah, they have them pre-made in little cups to keep them warm, and it's really nice.
Oh, they're warm? I didn't know that.
The bread pudding is warm, and it is so good, so good. Now, Walt Disney World has launched a new dining plan for guests looking to make most of their meals. The Disney Dining Plan Plus offers 2 meals per night for table service, quick service, and character dining, or a combination of the 3, plus even more perks that you can read about on our website.
Always nice to see these little, deals.
Yeah, especially like with dining, the cost of eating at the parks can add up really quickly.
Yeah,
so if you take advantage of this, definitely do it.
As a part of Disney's Earth Month activities, a new onstage walking tour is being offered for a limited time at Disney's Animal Kingdom called a Path Less Traveled Tour. On the tour, guests will learn about the authentic details, construction, and design throughout the park, and meet with animal care experts.
It's nice. I always love the tours at Animal Kingdom, because you really get to see things that not a lot of guests get to see. Now, I know this is an on-stage tour.
Yeah, so they're probably going to be taking you, the path less traveled, so, tell you about the details on, you said...
Maharaja.
It's not Pangani anymore. What's the other one?
Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail. Yeah, really showcase, the theming and how they, built the park, basically. Probably like all the stuff that Joe Ruddy loves to talk about.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. Now, for more details on all the news in the queue this week, along with everything else going on in the theme park world, head to attractionsmagazine.com.
Hi, I'm Cammie, and I want to tell you about one of the most amazing places in the world, Give Kids the World Village. It's a magical place where kids with critical illnesses come from all over the world for one amazing week. They get to visit Central Florida's coolest theme parks, celebrate at nightly parties, and enjoy delicious meals. And it doesn't cost them a thing. To learn more about how this magical place works and how you can help, visit givekidstheworld.org.
Today is the media day for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and we're starting off at Disney Springs. We just got a glimpse of Disney and Cirque du Soleil's Drawn to Life. It's a brand new show starting April 17th. It's beautiful. It completely captures the heart and soul of animation. Take a look.
You start in the theater where you get to see Perfect Picnic, and that's where we establish our original attraction theme song, and everything's so happy and exciting. And then that really magical moment happens where you actually get to step into the cartoon world, and you get to, go through a Mickey Mouse cartoon short.
What was kind of the hardest thing about bringing this 2D world into a 3D or sort of an almost 3D kind of space?
It was definitely figuring out how do you take the flat of the cartoon and make it tangible. So one of my roles in the very beginning of the project was I spent a lot of time watching all the Mickey Mouse shorts and figuring out here's what wood looks like, here's what this looks like, and figuring out that design language that the shorts really allowed us, and then working with our wonderful teams to work on sculpts and digital and physical and really kind of define it into what you see today.
Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Stampede! They're running fire! Hurry, hurry, hurry! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! We'll be right down!
Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me.
Nothing can stop us now.
Okay, so we just got off of Runaway Railway. Immediate thoughts, it's super whimsical, it's very cute, and I'm gonna be thinking about that song, Nothing Can Stop Us Now, I think, for the rest of the day. It's so much fun, you have to check it out. Now, in addition to the new ride, there's also the Mickey Shorts Theater, where you can catch the new original animated short Vacation Fun, where Mickey and Minnie kind of reminisce about all their adventures that they've had together as they travel to Walt Disney World. And after you see the film, you can come here and take photos in really cool, animated, three-dimensional backdrops. It's so cool. My favorite theme park, Potato Land. It's a potato! This guy is so cute. He's actually in the new animated short Vacation Fun. So precious. Every time you try to take a picture of him, he blocks his face somehow or puts on a disguise. You have to see it. It's so cute. Don't judge me. I tried my best here. I came in a little late, so I had to catch up, but I think I did all right. I mean, compared to that one, I think it's okay.
Up at the back by the door when you're...
Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is now open every day at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and you can catch previews of the new Drawn to Life Cirque du Soleil show at Disney Springs later this month.
MEI and MouseFan Travel is your expert source for no-fee travel planning. Visit MEI-travel.com for a no-obligation quote today.
Undercover Tourist is rolling out the red carpet for a one-of-a-kind VIP experience that you and your family will never forget. The VIP Fun Fest is happening Friday, March 6th at Universal Orlando Resort. Join us for private access to Universal Studios Florida and Universal's Islands of Adventure. Experience all the popular rides and attractions with minimal wait times after the parks close for our private event. But that's not all. This totally awesome event includes unlimited food and beverage and special entertainment. How could this event get any better? When you buy, we give. For every 2 tickets sold, 1 will be donated to a local charity. What are you waiting for? We are only selling 6,000 tickets. Visit Undercover Tourist today to purchase your VIP FunFest tickets before they sell out.
Want to experience Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway for yourself? You can save up to $90 on tickets through Undercover Tourist. To learn more, visit undercovertourist.com.
Florida residents can save up to 30% on rooms at Disney with Mousefan Travel. To learn more about this offer and receive a free quote with no obligation, visit mousefantravel.com.
Give Kids the World Village is a nonprofit resort that provides week-long, cost-free vacations to children with life-threatening illnesses and their families. To learn more about how to get involved, visit gktw.org. All right, so this Friday is the Family Fun Night VIP party that Undercover Tourist is holding at Universal Orlando Resort. They've bought out studios and islands from 8 to midnight, so you're going to get like unlimited food. You know,
That's
that's the best part. You get all the food you want. If they serve hot butterbeer, I'm all over that.
For sure.
And then short lines on all the rides, which I'm hoping Hagrid stays short.
I like Hagrid's, but I'm more looking forward to like other rides like Hulk and Spider-Man and Cat in the Hat. You know how long that line is. So,
Cat in the Hat is a must ride. And Rip Ride Rocket and
True. Yeah. The other park too. Mummy,
yeah, both parks are open.
Men in Black.
Should be a fun time. So tickets are still available over at undercovertourist.com. A lot of us from Attractions Magazine will be there. So if you come out, say hi if you see us.
Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope you'll tune in again next week.
Don't forget to subscribe to our magazine, check out our YouTube channel, and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.
Until next time, have fun.